What if you could unlock a flood of high-quality traffic to your website, converting visitors into loyal customers almost on autopilot? Stay with me, because I'm about to reveal the secret system that makes this possible. It all starts with a powerful one-two punch, smart strategy, and the right solutions. This isn't about just getting more clicks. It's about attracting the right people who are ready to engage with your brand. First, we target your ideal customers with precision-guided promotion and advertising. We meet them on their favorite platforms, be it Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn, and lead them directly to your digital doorstep. This is the first step to transforming your traffic from a trickle into a torrent. Next, we welcome them with a dedicated capture page. Think of it as your ultimate conversion machine. Here, we offer an irresistible freebie, a valuable ebook, an exclusive guide, or a special discount in exchange for their email. This simple step turns casual visitors into hot leads. What kind of freebie would your audience love? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Now for the secret sauce, the follow-up. This is where we work our magic. Through automated email sequences, we build a relationship, nurture trust, and provide massive value, guiding your new leads effortlessly toward their first purchase. It's like having a 24/7 sales team working for you. So there you have it, the complete system to transform casual viewers into eager signups. It's a powerful combination of targeted advertising, high-converting capture pages, and automated follow-ups. Ready to stop struggling for traffic and start building your customer base? Click the link in our bio to get started, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more growth secrets.